In this video, we will provide you with the ultimate guide to baby travel. We will share some valuable tips and must-have gear to make your travel experience with your little one smooth and enjoyable. The first step in preparing for baby travel is to choose the right gear. We will discuss essential items that will make your travel experience with your little one much easier. A travel stroller is crucial for navigating airports, streets, and other travel destinations. A lightweight and compact baby carrier allows you to keep your hands free while keeping your baby close. A diaper bag with ample storage will ensure you have enough space for diapers, wipes, extra clothes, and other essentials. Lastly, a portable crib or a travel bassinet provides a safe and comfortable sleeping space for your baby wherever you go. Next, we will talk about the essential items you need to pack for your baby when traveling. Diapers and wipes are a must-have to keep your baby clean and comfortable. Changing pads provide a clean and convenient surface for diaper changes. Extra clothes are essential for any unexpected messes or weather changes. It's important to pack baby food, formula, and bottles if your baby is not breastfeeding. Pacifiers can help soothe your baby during the journey. Lastly, don't forget to pack some toys to keep your little one entertained during the trip. Traveling with a baby can be challenging, but with the right strategies, it can be stress-free. One important tip is to manage your baby's sleep schedule by keeping their routine as consistent as possible. Plan for feeding breaks during your journey, whether you breastfeed or bottle feed. It's crucial to keep your baby comfortable during the flight by dressing them in layers and using blankets and pillows for added comfort. Dealing with jet lag can be tough for babies, so try to ease the transition by adjusting their sleep and feeding schedules gradually. With these tips, you can have a stress-free travel experience with your baby. Lastly, we will discuss important safety precautions to ensure your baby's safety during travel. When traveling, always use a car seat that is suitable for your baby's age and size. It's crucial to secure the car seat properly and follow all safety guidelines. Additionally, make sure to baby-proof your accommodation by covering electrical outlets and securing furniture. Never leave your baby unattended, especially in unfamiliar surroundings. Lastly, always have important documents such as passports and medical records readily available. In conclusion, we have discussed important safety precautions and summarized the key points to remember when traveling with your little one.